special about roads in Saudi Arabia, especially when you are driving through Riyadh. Not just the destination, but the journey itself becomes the story. Right now, we are setting out from the vibrant city of Riyadh, a place where modern life meets deep tradition. As the engine starts, and the city slowly fades behind us. You begin to feel a shift. The noise softens, the buildings stretch out, and the road opens wide in front of you. This is not just a drive. This is an experience. As we move further away from central Riyadh, you will notice how the skyline begins to change. Tall glass towers slowly give way to lower buildings, warehouses, and then open spaces. The traffic becomes lighter. The pace becomes calmer. On either side of the road, you might catch glimpses of daily life, workers heading home, families traveling together, long-haul trucks carrying goods across the kingdom. Riyadh is not just a city, it's a hub, a connection point. And these roads, they connect stories. Now the road truly opens up. Long, straight highways stretch into the distance, almost like they never end. Driving here feels different. There's a rhythm, a peaceful flow. The desert begins to reveal itself, not empty, but quietly alive. The colors shift between soft browns, golden sand, and sometimes a touch of green where life finds a way to grow. You might notice small plants scattered across the land, surviving in conditions that look impossible. That's the beauty of this landscape. It teaches resilience. As the journey continues, the scenery becomes more minimal, yet more powerful. There's something deeply calming about wide, open desert views. No distractions, no rush, just you, the road, and the horizon. Sometimes you'll see distant hills, softly rising from the sand. Other times it's completely flat, like a blank canvas stretching forever. This is where thoughts become clearer. Driving through these roads, you don't just move physically, you reflect mentally. Every now and then, another vehicle passes by. A car speeding gently ahead. A truck maintaining its steady pace. Each one has its own journey, its own destination. You might pass by small roadside stops, simple places where travelers pause to rest, to pray, to refresh. These stops may look small, but they are part of the road culture here. Long distance driving is a way of life in Saudi Arabia. And these roads, they support that life. Now notice the life. As time passes, the sun begins to shift its angle. The color of the land changes with it. Golden tones become deeper. Shadows stretch longer. Everything feels more cinematic. This is one of the most beautiful moments on any road trip in Riyadh. The sky slowly transitions from bright blue to warm orange, and the desert reflects it like a mirror. As the journey continues, a deep sense of calm settles in. There's no pressure here, no rush, just movement. Steady, peaceful movement. This is where you feel connected not just to the road, but to the environment around you. The vastness reminds you how big the world really is, and how simple moments like a quiet drive can become unforgettable memories. And just like that, another beautiful road journey through Riyadh comes to an end. But the feeling stays, because it was never just about the road. It was about the experience, the calm, the beauty, the connection.